In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit leave request in Lark. Submitting time off in Lark is quick, clear, and follows your company's built-in approval workflow, so your request goes directly to your manager without extra emails or messages. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Lark on your desktop or mobile device. The process is the same on both, and the screens look very similar. If it's your first time opening the app today, give it a second to load your workspace. Next, head to Workplace, sometimes labeled App List depending on your version. This is where all your company apps live. If you don't see it right away, look for the grid or briefcase icon, usually located in the sidebar or main menu. From there, open the Attendance app. This is the hub for time-related tasks, including checking in, viewing attendance, and submitting leave requests. Once it opens, look for the option to create something new. Tap Create, or on some layouts, you'll see New Request. Both take you to the same place. You'll be presented with different templates. Choose the leave or time off template. The wording can vary slightly by organization, but you're looking for the option that covers personal leave like annual or sick days. Now fill in the details. First, select the leave type, such as annual or sick, according to your company policy. Then set your start date and end date. Make sure these dates cover your entire absence, and double-check that your selection matches your work schedule and time zone so there's no confusion. Finally, add a short reason. Keep it clear and professional, like annual leave or medical appointment. Your company may have guidelines for how specific you need to be, so follow those if you know them. When everything looks correct, tap Submit. Lark will immediately route your request through the built-in approval workflow, sending a notification to your manager. You don't need to do anything else at this stage. Your request is in the queue. To keep an eye on things, open My Requests to track the status. You'll see whether your request is pending, approved, or needs attention. If it's approved, Lark will reflect that status, and you'll typically receive a notification. If something changes, you can check back here to stay updated. And that's it. Open Lark, go to Workplace or App List, open Attendance, create a new request, choose the leave or time off template, enter your details, submit, and then monitor progress in My Requests. This method keeps everything organized, visible, and aligned with your company's approval process.